Do you want to protect your online privacy? Check out Ivacy VPN. Ivacy has won awards for being very fast, have zero logs policy, along with being the cheapest VPN out there. The app is available on a wide selection of platforms, including iOS and Android and Windows 10, and features very useful tools such as an internet kill switch for peace of mind in the event of a dropout, along with split tunneling, giving you the freedom of choosing which traffic flows through the VPN. Find out more by clicking the link in the description below and using code IVC20 if you decide to purchase. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a IR receiver. This is a universal remote basically. You can put it to your phone like this, and then you can download certain apps and control different devices. Now this works only for smartphones basically. Yeah, this is basically what it looks like. You can use it on iPhone, but you need an extra adapter, which looks like this. It's for under $10. I'll throw a link up in the description. So to combine both of these, it's around $20. So it's a little bit more expensive if you have an iPhone, but you need it because it's Lightning, male, and then female Type C. Anyways, let's get into this product right here. This one retails for, I believe, $10 to $13. I'm not really sure. This was sent out to me by the company, so thank you for that. And it also comes with a little lanyard, so there's nothing else in there. And it comes with a nice little user manual, so you have information. You can do like an app. It's in Chinese and English. And then you have the device and the lanyard. So here it is. It has a nice build to it. Here's the infrared receiver. Right there, it's protected by plastic. And then the actual device right here, you can see the top part. It has a TPU, plastic TPU, and it runs along the inside around underneath the aluminum, and then it's covered with aluminum. It has a smart chip, and it looks really nice. And then it comes with this, so you can basically put it away. You can carry it with you. Just put it in here, and there it is. That's pretty cool, so you don't lose it. So whenever you don't need it, just put it in here and you're good. And it's pretty portable, so let's go ahead and show you what it does. I'm gonna record on this phone, so it's gonna be probably really crappy because it's gonna be in 1080p, but oh well. Alright, this is what the app looks like. It is called Zaza Remote Universal, and I'll leave a link in the description to download. Also, when you purchase this, it will have a QR code. But anyways, you go ahead and take your little device here, plug it into your phone on the very bottom. Unless you need an adapter for iOS, then go and do that and then plug it in. Now go ahead and open your app. And mine's already set up, but you're going to have to add a device. There's several different devices you can add. But once you get it set up, you can use it as a normal controller. If you do lose yours, it's really cool because you can control multiple devices. It's basically a cheap version of a universal remote. Now it is controlling the RGB lights because it is an infrared sensor, so that's why. But it's really cool because you don't have to flip your phone around. You can basically just point it and it'll be able to read it just from there, which is really cool. So all the buttons work. They work really good. I'm very surprised. It was an easy setup. It was a little bit confusing because I was trying to set up for the RGB strip, but it was really easy from there. I highly recommend this product, and I'll see you guys in the next one.